Hello, it's me again. I'm Peter Aziz, a hereditary shaman over 50 years experience. I'm here to introduce my upcoming webinar on dark psionics. This is for anyone who's feel they've had enough of being attacked and harassed and targeted. You feel it's not enough to just keep protecting yourself from being harassed again, but it's time to hit back and hard. What I'll be sharing here is some very powerful talismans that I've been using secretly, which will enable you to actually take down the enemy's shields, break down the aura, destroy any servitors they have, and launch some pretty devastating attacks to actually stop them once and for all from what they're doing. Psionics is quite an easy system to use. Most of the work I've done for you. It's taught in the talismans. Once you have a little bit of experience in handling psionics and setting up charts, anybody can use it. It saves many years of training, as the power is already in the chart, and anybody can use this instantly. What you will need though is basic psionic chart. You can get this free from my website if you haven't bought the other version. And I recommend using my chart because really there's nothing out there powerful enough to do this work. So if you'd like to actually learn to fight back, protect yourself and stop those who are harming you, stop those who are harassing you, messing your life up, I'll see you in this webinar.